Hi, I'm Jeremy from Elias Woodwork. Today we want to talk a little bit about our floating shelves. Floating shelves are super popular both in kitchens as well as other parts of the home. Really trendy these days. We've been manufacturing them for quite a while already as well. But today we wanted to talk a little bit about some of the new and improved features and really key benefits of the floating shelves that we manufacture. So today we're going to take a look at the floating shelf in maple. So here we have a maple with just a clear finish. Our floating shelves are available in any wood species and any stain color or paint color. So you can order them pre-finished that way in any color in wood. We also manufacture them in thermofoil in any of our colors in thermofoil as well. So today we're going to be looking at the maple one with a clear finish. And so some of the key features, one of the things we've changed recently with the shelf itself and how it's constructed is it's a completely seamless edge. So it's a beautiful miter joint on this edge here, so you don't see any seams on all three edges of the shelf. We've also added a clip. So there's a plastic clip that comes pre-mounted inside the shelf. Previously you had to maybe secure the shelf on the wall with a pin or some silicone. This new clip eliminates the need for that and makes a really quick and seamless installation. So on the mounting cleat itself, you'll notice the clip is here as well. So this clip lines up with the clip in the shelf. Also comes pre-installed when you receive it, and it locks the shelf in place. Another change is the mounting cleat itself we used to make out of MDF. We've now changed it to actual plywood just for added strength there as well. So this will come in the package, and then you will also get the metal brackets. One big change we've made with these as well is we've increased the strength of these brackets to 16 gauge metal, and it actually increases the weight capacity of our shelves to 20 pounds per foot. So you want to keep the weight pretty evenly spaced, but definitely strong enough to hold plates or any other kinds of decorations that you're putting on there. And of course the screws are also included. So everything you need, and we'll show you how quick it is to install. Alright, we've got all of our parts laid out here. The first thing I want to do is pre-drill the holes in the cleat. Just to mount the metal brackets. So I've already pre-drilled those holes, and by using the bracket as a template on where those holes should be, I want to make sure that they're not interfering with the clip. And now I'm just going to use the short screws that were provided to mount the bracket to the cleat. So now that we have the brackets loosely pre-mounted to the cleat, we want to attach the whole thing to the wall. I've already pre-marked a level line at the height of where I wanted the shelf to be. I also pre-marked where the studs were, and that also helped me to decide where to mount the bracket to the cleat. So I'm just going to go ahead now and tighten up the short screws and make sure that the cleat stays on the wall. So these short screws will penetrate into the drywall and just help put the cleat in place. We then want to use the long screws that were provided and really make sure that these do penetrate the stud. So I've decided to use the middle hole in the bracket to make sure that to use the long screw to go all the way into the stud. Alright, now we have the cleat and the brackets securely fastened to the wall, and I'm going to take the shelf. I've installed the cleat so the clips are to the top, and I'm just going to make sure that my clips are to the top as well on the shelf, and simply slide this over top of the brackets. Make sure that it goes beyond the cleat. Clip it into place. And now the shelf is securely fastened to the wall, No need for pins on top or silicone or anything. The cleat is fastened and the shelf is secured.